To download Webull on your laptop, start by opening a web browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Type webull.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the official Webull website. Click on the download button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will redirect you to the download page where you can choose the correct version of the app for your laptop. Webull is available for both Windows and Mac operating systems, so make sure to select the correct one. Once you have selected the correct version, click on the download link to start the download process. The download speed will depend on your internet connection, so be patient and wait for the file to download completely. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and click on it to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Webull on your laptop. You may be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Choose the installation location, and decide whether to create a shortcut on your desktop. During the installation process, you may also be asked to create a Webull account or log in to an existing one. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Webull from the Start menu or the shortcut on your desktop. Log into your account using your username and password, and you will have access to all the features and tools that Webull has to offer. It is also a good idea to check for any updates after installing Webull. To do this, click on the Help menu and select Check for Updates. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the app with all the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you should be able to download and install Webull on your laptop without any issues. If you encounter any problems during the download or installation process, you can visit the Webull website for troubleshooting guides and customer support.